What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today we are going to be doing a security response software update for iOS 16.5.1c. So let's get into it. Open up your settings, scroll down to General, and then select Software Update. And it's going to load. All right, right here you see iOS Security Response 16.5.1c. This rapid security response provides important security fixes and is recommended for all users. So as you can see, it is approximately 4 megabytes. And if you need more information on this, you can always click that Apple support link right there at the bottom. And yeah, guys, so now we're going to go ahead and download this and then install it. So select download, enter your passcode, and it'll take a while, maybe 5 minutes to download, and then we will begin installation. All right, so the download has been completed and now it is time to install. So go down to the bottom and select install. And then it is going to take you through a series of reboots once this process begins. So you have to make sure your phone is at least 50% charged. And if it is not, please connect it to the charger, or the installation button will not even allow you to click it. It will be grayed out, guys, and you won't be able to do this. All right, guys, so go ahead and add your phones to the charger and then click install, and it will take you through the reboots. And once it is complete, your home screen will show up and it will say that that specific software update is now available. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.